Let's see the quick demo of 3GS game which I just built using GLM 5.2, which is completely free without subscription, and using that Cloudflare, and also once exceed that limit there is an alternative. So those are things we will try to build over here, and we'll see how we can just build this complete game, this nice game on that browser level itself. Let's moving to start implementation. So before I start implementation, I especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, go to my channel which is Real World Devs, and in here actually I just set up one open code. So yeah, here actually you can just set up that open code because we're trying to use that open code along with 5.2 GLM using that Cloudflare. So yeah, once you done that open code setup, then you're good to go. And apart from this, if you want to learn AI, full stack development, game, cloud and mobile development, and any game development and all, so you can learn many things over here. So let's moving to start implementation. So first up we have to go to this official website which is Cloudflare. So simply we have to logged in with the Google account. So I already done it, that logged in over here. And once you logged in, now you have to go to this section. In this site section we have to see this section which is AI section, and in this AI section scroll down, and here is a work AI. So click on that work AI. So in this worker AI, whatever uses actually you have to use over here, that is everything over there. But we have to go to the REST API, and in this REST API with two things actually we required. First of this account ID. So just keep this account ID in somewhere, and then we have to create a token. So create a worker AI API token. So click on that, and in here very important part actually we have to set up to use that token. Without that proper setup, definitely that token won't work. So what need to do on this case? So in this case, that permission actually it's account, this is fine, and also that selected worker AI is fine, but here you have to use that edit mode. So both like edit and read actually you can just use it. So yeah, one is that edit mode and one is for read mode. So yeah, both you can just use it. So that this account worker AI can use for read and edit both, right? And yeah, this is done, and once you're done, now simply you can just create an API. So once you click that, so your API key will be created. So just copy that, and also there is a mechanism to verify that. So that also you can just use as like here they can just provide the sample like this curl or JavaScript or Python. So before starting, actually you can just copy this code in some file, and then you can just simply replace your API key so that you can check, okay, this API is working on this. So once you're done, now once you have that API key and account ID, now what I'll do, I'll just open I just create a new folder over here which has only skills, the 3GS skill, because we want to use this new GLM 5.2 which is free in this Cloudflare and build this complete 3GS game. So that's why I'll just add some skills. Don't worry, I'll just keep this in my description, so you can take it all that skills, so that it will help to build that game based on that 3GS skills. So I can just open a terminal, and here I can just open a VS code for this empty project. So now my project got opened over here. Let me close everything, nothing special, only just 3GS skills, that's it. And what I can do, I can just go to terminal, and in this terminal I just open a open code, because we have to integrate that Cloudflare in my open code. So simply hit enter, and once you're done, now we have by default actually open code provide that open code gen API, and then we have to use this model, but we have to change this model and this provider. So how we can do that? Simply I can go with this connect section and connect that, and once you connect, now it is asking to what provider you want to use. So simply you can just select, so just select over here and search for cloud, and that Cloudflare work AI is available. So simply you can just hit enter. Now it is asking for account ID, right? So that account ID I already keep it somewhere, so that's why I'm asking a suggestion initially. So keep that all information somewhere. So yeah, this is my account ID, and hit enter. Once you're done, now this asking to my API key. So yeah, also I'll just keep it my API key, so that keep that somewhere, and simply hit enter. And once you're done, now see, I am able to see all that model is available over here. So what I'll choose that, I'll choose that GLM 5.2, which is latest one, and also it is very powerful model, so I'll use that. And if you see, also I'll just check effort high, and this is Cloudflare and worker AI, and model name is 5.2, which is perfect, right? So yeah, then we are good, like setup perspective. So now we will try to build a game so that we can ensure, okay, how is powerful this model, because so far I have not tested this model. So now I will test it and we'll see like how is powerful to build any game and all. So I have already the requirement, so let me just paste it over here, and now you don't able to see that in this terminal, but yeah, don't worry, I'll just keep this complete repository along with this prompt so that you can utilize that. And also if you want, so you can just simply use ChatGPT, and so simply hit enter, and once you enter, now we are able to see over here, if you scroll up, so these are the requirement, like build the complete template as endless runner game in the single HTML file using 3GS, loaded by import or CDN, and exact specification. So these are the specification I just added. So yeah, let's wait to complete that, and then we will see how they can build this game. Now you can see they just complete, and also I can see the timing. So they take 6 minutes 43 seconds to build this complete game, and yeah, all that things they just completed along with that verifications and all, and also they provide that information. So this is nice, and they just create this template. So yeah, I'll just go to open it here and double click on that, and yeah, this is nice UI of this game, which have this complete intro. So now if you arrow here and there, like left and right, so you can just change the lane, and also you can just space to jump, and if you want to slide, so S and down, and for mobile actually swap to control. So yeah, that is fine. So let me run this and see is there any issue on that. So simply, oh my god, so yeah, I think it is perfect, but one issue, it is just that opposite side, right? So yeah, that I think we need to fix it. So yeah, let me just close that and go back to here, and we can just simply fix that bug. Actually this is kind of bug, right? So that also we have to test, like is this GLM 5.2 is that capable to fix that bug, if any bug and all. So yeah, let me try to that. So simply I can just ask, okay, currently it is just automatically rotate that game screen, so we have to just fix that and hit enter. So currently I can see that request actually for today, or per day limit, they got expired. So yeah, that is some restriction for using that Cloudflare, right? In this Cloudflare actually, that every AI actually which is the providing free request, so definitely they have some limitations, right? So now I can see that limitation, but yeah, don't worry, we have that alternate way. So we'll change to another one, which is something open code gen AI, right? And hit enter, and here again we have to get this key from this open code gen AI, and we can give it. So I already have that, and simply hit enter. So now open code is connected, and now we can just change to model. So I'll just use the free model, and that free model would be DeepSeek over here. So yeah, if you think, okay, now we are trying to start 5.2, but that got exceed, so definitely you can change to other free model, right? That's why actually I am prefer to open code, which have that flexibility to use that another model. So don't stop then in your working or any R&D and all. So yeah, so now what I'll do, simply again just copy to this, copy, and just simply paste it and hit enter. So meanwhile they are trying to fix, actually I want to show you one thing. So go back to here, and if I just go to model section, worker AI, okay, so see in this worker AI actually you can see that limitation as well. So now currently they just provide 10,000 in a token, I think, per day, right? So that got expired, like that exceed, so that's why actually it's just cross the limit. So definitely the next day again it will reset using this time, and yeah, I think that's fine. But yeah, if you want I can check that other model as well, but yeah, that will check later. So yeah, meanwhile go back to again this here and just wait to complete that. So now I can see over here they just complete, and whatever that fix actually they just provide also this fix. So this is that alternative, like if one model is exceed that limit and all, we can utilize another one. And now we will check that output. So go back to again here, just open it again, and in here if I just start this, perfect. Now see the look and feel. So if I just jump, yeah, I can jump it. Even if I want to down, yes, I can just down it. Perfect. So this is how actually we can just build this complete game over here. So yeah, that pretty much good for today. And also feel free add any comments like what do you want to more to R&D and implement this game. So thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.